I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. So when we built our book nook, we ended up moving our record player up next to it.
Nice.
So now we need a record player for the rest of the house. So why don't we do this? Let's make a record player from the stuff we can find around the house. All right, here's what I found. Little meat grinder from the food truck, table leg, the arm off our broken record player, a bunch of random crap I picked up on the stairs on the way down. And a scar. The only concept that I've really kind of nailed. Take a record, stick it on, twist her on. So I was thinking was like a portable record player. You can make it slow down, you can make it go backwards and speak devil language. This little guy, table leg, could screw onto the end. The arm off our record player, somewhere like there.
Yeah, I mean, like follow the groove of see how the record is.
Now, if the DIY gods are with us, you ready?
Sounds like grinding and static.
We were having a couple technical difficulties with our record player. It wasn't working so well. So we're gonna try and replace the needle and see if that's the problem.
We failed once, so I really don't want to fail twice.
Oh, wait a second. That's how you do it.
There you go.
That's it, okay. Can you hear the squeak underneath?
Can you ever?
Oi, it's like the bagpipes.
It looks pretty neat too. Put it on the wall.
Yeah, it's almost steampunkish. Ready for some more music?
Yeah, let me get my hearing aid.
What if we put your Bluetooth speaker like in there and it's almost like a steampunk Bluetooth speaker?
Oh, that's cool. Another use.
Okay, so it goes. So we're gonna bury this Bluetooth speaker down inside the horn.
Aren't you gonna see the speaker a lot easier?
Yes, you are.
And you're not gonna see it that way?
Pretty much, yep.
So I'm gonna drill a hole in the wall near the base for the handle to go through.
Like, is this steampunk? Just because it looks kind of weird?
I think it has something to do with the technology, right?
It's like old technology, so this is all old technology. All right, for the moment we've all been waiting for.
Fire it up.
Sounds better.
You put it inside that gramophone or whatever, and it really comes to life, doesn't it? It's got great curb appeal.
We take it to the curb. It's a conversation piece.
Yeah, and you know what? It does help out our little tiny Bluetooth speaker. You know,
Oh, it totally does.
It's a lot better than it was. Maybe we should make steam come out of it.